Hello viewers and welcome to Unicorp's add-on demonstration series. Myself Shivam Banod, I'm working as business analyst with Unicorps. In today's demonstration series, we will be focusing on plant maintenance solution, which is again provided as an add-on with the SAP Business One. So once we move to the demo instance itself, so you can see we have this module called the engineering module for the complete plant and maintenance solution. Under this module, you can see we have the complete aspect related to maintenance, fire and safety, housekeeping, utility, as well as the security management. Under the maintenance, you can see we have the complete aspects of maintenance schedule master, machine equipment group, preventive action master, preventive checklist master, as well as the complete machine master. So we can easily create all the machine relevant data. We can give all the different departments. We can select different machine types. We can select different sort of machine groups, the complete data of machines, manufacturers, their serial numbers, manufacturing date, vendor codes, any sort of terms and condition related to that. If I talk on the service provider tagging that we can also perform on the solution itself, the complete insurance request, AMC required, preventive actions which we are taking on that particular machine, alternative actions, schedules, what type of this preventive action is, which particular vendor is taking it, as well as the complete spare parts, as well as the tool tagging also we can perform under the machine master level. Further, on the preventive maintenance card also, so every particular machine wise we can maintain a maintenance card in the system where you can tag all the departments, all the groups, all the machine number, their machine name, location, as well as different sort of checklist, what checklist we are performing, what tasks we are performing on that particular machine, what is the start date, end date, the complete timestamps can be maintained, as well as the employer taggings are also available. If I talk on the work in progress, so what type of internal or external corrective action needs to be taken, who is the service provider for that corrective action, what percentage of completion is performed, is it verified, or who needs to approve this particular action, those aspects also we can maintain on the maintenance card. And any sort of investigation which comes up when once we perform the complete planned preventive maintenance on that particular machine, that capturing also we can perform under the maintenance card itself. If I move forward, so the complete machine breakdown recording also, so every particular machine wise we can easily maintain all the records for every particular machine, whatever different aspects we are performing on the complaint. You can see the breakdown actions, work in progress which we are performing there, any sort of investigations which are coming into that particular aspect, that complete machine recording also, breakdown recording also I can perform on the system level itself. So in these aspects also you can see even the complete breakdown investigation list is available to you. On that particular aspects you can see we have the complete machine insurance details also. So every particular machine wise you can also manage the complete machine insurance on the SAP Business One level itself. And again, if I talk on the machine AMCs, so every particular machine wise, if any sort of AMC you are managing, that can be done, as well as the maintenance report also. So there are certain standard reports related to machine maintenance as well as the machinery history. So those particular reports also we can generate from the system level itself. Further, if I talk on the fire and safety level, so all are recordings related to fire and safety, like they define the schedule defining all these different mock drills, preventives, audits. So all these different aspects also I can maintain in the SAP itself. Even the mock drill recordings also, so every particular mock drill wise different descriptions, whatever descriptions we are giving, the mock drill dates, observations, remarks, all those aspects also I can record in the system itself. As well as any sort of incident recording. So if any sort of incident comes into your department related to fire and safety, so all that's incident recording also we can perform in the SAP itself. Any sort of audits, so there are certain fire audits which take place in different organizations. So those audits also we can define different parameters for those audits, and the complete audit recording also I can perform in the SAP Business One system instance. So if it is an internal audit or an external audit, so both those particular audits I can record in the SAP itself. And then there are different sort of fire related reports also, fire safety related reports also, which we can generate from the system itself. Further, when I move to the housekeeping, so you can see we have the complete master data management related to shifts, areas, job work master, checklist parameters, all these different sort of masters also I can define in the system itself. Further, if I talk on the housekeeping data recording, so you can see shift wise employee deployment, location-wise checklist, shift-wise logbook, shift-wise machine usage, as well as the complete item consumption also I can easily record in the system itself. Plus, if I move forward, so you have different sort of reports also on the item consumption register, employee deployment register, machine usage register also. So these are certain sort of reports also which you receive under the housekeeping module. Further, if I move, so we have a utility sub module also available in the plant and maintenance add-on, where you can see we have the utility master, where you can easily record all your LT panel masters for electricities, for water, for gas, BTU, diesel. So these different sort of recordings related to the consumables which comes into the organization under the production process or different MIS process. So those recordings also you can see we can easily perform in the system itself. Plus, if I move forward, so there are different utility tracking also. So daily LT panel tracking, daily electricity tracking, water diesel tracking, diesel tank status, engineering daily report tracking, HT selection daily readings. So all these different aspects also of related to utilities also we can track in the SAP itself. Further, you receive different sort of reports also in relation to the utility module. If I move forward, then we have a security management module also available in the plant maintenance solution, under which you can see we have a complete master data available related to shift master, area master. You can see we can define all these different type of shifts here. We can define different sort of areas, complete equipment tracer master, what different equipments we are performing to the security personnel, as well as an equipment validation masters also. According to these masters, you can see I can go to the security daily recording also, where I can get the shift wise employee deployment, whatever different employees I have deployed according to the shifts that can be managed in the system itself. Again, any sort of logbook we are maintaining, incident recording, equipment tracers, equipment validations. So these different aspects also you can see I can easily maintain in the SAP itself. Any sort of weapon entry form that needs to be fulfilled when weapons are provided to different security personnel. So that recording also we can perform in the system. Plus, the complete day-to-day loss found items also on that particular level of tracking also I can perform in the system. Then we have different reports also, an employee deployment register, security register report also that you can directly generate from the SAP itself. So these are the different aspects you can see related to the plant maintenance, machine breakdowns, fire and safety, housekeeping, utility, as well as the security management of part, which we can easily incorporate as an add-on with the SAP Business One. And we can easily maintain all the data relevant to those aspects. So thank you everyone. Thanks for joining this particular demonstration part.